In 2026, learning Python isn't actually about writing code anymore. It's about commanding it. Look, AI can already generate syntax for you, and no code tools can build 80% of your business. But this week, I realized that if I want to move from just prompting to actually building high stakes systems, I need to understand the language under the hood. I'm not trying to become a developer, I'm becoming an architect. Here's why Python is still the unfair advantage in 2026. The big shift this year is that we've moved past the era of the coder and into the era of the architect. Think of it like building a house. AI is your crew. They lay the bricks at lightning speed, but they don't always know the building codes, and they can't fix a structural flaw if the blueprints are slightly off. Python is that blueprint. It's still relevant because it's the glue for every major AI framework. I'm not learning it to lay the bricks myself. I'm still going to use vibe coding in Cursor and platforms like N8N for speed, but knowing Python means I can finally supervise the build. I can spot when the AI is hallucinating a security risk, and I can break through the no-code ceiling when a drag and drop tool hits a limit. Let's be clear, I still love no-code. As a consultant, speed will be my best friend. But adding a bit of Python literacy to a no-code workflow is like adding a turbocharge to an engine. It allows you to build custom modes for your clients, solutions that competitors who only know how to drag and drop simply can't offer. You're not replacing your tools, you're making them invincible. To get that architect's blueprint, I took a crash course this week called AI Python for Beginners by Andrew NG on DeepLearning.AI. I spent the week fighting syntax errors while learning the basics like printing and strings and functions. I eventually reached 60% completion rate, getting introduced to lists, loops, and dictionaries. It's like having a map of a new city. I haven't walked every street yet, but for the first time, I'm not lost. I know how to use these tools to automate tasks. The takeaway: you don't need a computer science degree to thrive in 2026. You just need enough Python to be a capable architect. I've learned that chatbots are perfect for fixing and suggesting code, but you have to know the logic to direct them. AI writes, I review. Because AI won't replace the entrepreneur, but the entrepreneur who understands the wiring will absolutely replace the one who doesn't. Next week, the journey continues. I'm moving beyond the basics and diving into more hands-on courses designed to build real AI workflows end to end. It's time to stop talking about the blueprints and start seeing if these systems actually hold up in the real world. Expect things to break, but that's exactly where the real learning happens. Subscribe to follow the build, and let's do this together. See you next week.